Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Suno. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And then we'll search about the application of Suno and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.